What's poppin'? Let's get to it. Yeah, we're back on the Honda. We have a torn boot there, and a torn boot there. So, that's what we're going to work on. We're going to get this thing jacked up in the air. I'm just going to put a jack right underneath that. And, you know, right underneath the rear. Then we're going to take the wheels off. Alright, so you get your wheel off with 17 millimeter. And you got this. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take out this cotter pin. I'm going to take off this axle nut. I'm going to take off that control arm bolt. And we're probably going to pull the lower control arm bolt too. So I'll work on that and keep you posted. Okay, 1 1/4 fits mine. I have not even put it on a impact yet. It should not be that loose. Okay, so let's just get that out of the way. Should be tighter than hand tight. Either way, get that off there, I guess. That's dumb. Okay, so one side is TRX on both of them, and the other side, that looks like a 13. Focus, you stupid camera, Jesus. That looks like a 13, maybe. That might be a 15. But I'll get back with the right sizes. Alright, the bottom one is a 14 millimeter and a T50. Top one is a 17 and a T50. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the bottom one out first. Okay, so I got it out. And all you do, here, I'll set it back in. Okay, you can kind of see it. So all you do is lift this up, and then you just yank on this, and it's held in with that little focus. It's held in with that little snap ring. So you just kind of yank on it, and it will pull it out. It kind of acts as a slide hammer. Here's the new ones. Beautiful new axle. Sorry. So now we're just gonna shove it on in there. I like to put a little bit of grease on that, but this one's already pre-greased, so I don't have to worry about it. But if yours don't, throw some grease on there. Good morning. Line the splines up, and then you're basically just going to push it in there, but I got to get something to hold that up. So one way that works really well on these, if you put that up there and then take your palm and then just do that, it'll seat down in there, and you'll tell when it seats. It kind of snaps into place. So I can pull our new axle nut off. And put our top one in first. That top one's got a little grease on it. The bottom one really doesn't, so I'll be right back. So I like to add a little grease right there. It has 2 O-rings sitting right there, so okay, so this is already really greased. We're going to clean this up a little bit, throw some more grease on there, and we'll be right back. Alright. Now the torque spec for this nut is 47 foot-pounds. Cool, it's the same size. And we lined up perfectly with one of the holes for the cotter bin. That's perfect. So when you bend up, and when you bend down. Now you put your wheel back on and you're good to go. So all in all, this is like a 5-minute job. Not hard at all. So ask any questions you have, like, subscribe, share us. Deuces.